trial for helping us to discover the hero within ourselves. Fellow Toastmasters and distinguished guests, how was the excitement? Already we have taken the 2 doses of excitement. Let's move on to the next dose of excitement. Once there was a sculptor, he was creating a statue. Another replica of the statue was lying next to that statue. A strange visitor was passing by. He looked at that statue and he asked the sculptor, "Sir, are you making one more statue just like that?" He said, No, the earlier statue which I was working on, it got damaged a little bit, so hence I am creating a new statue. So this visitor goes there and he looks at that damaged statue and he doesn't notice any damage. He comes back and again tells the sculptor, "Sir, I went there, I inspected the statue, but there was no damage." Again the sculptor said, "No, this time you go there, look at the nose of the statue, you will find a scratch." Then again this visitor asked, "Where are you going to place this? Where are you going to install this?" Then the sculptor said, "We are going to create a pedestal which is 16 feet high, and on that we are going to install this statue." Then the visitor said, "If we install this statue at such a great height, no one will be able to notice it, no one will be able to make it out." For which the sculptor said, "So what? I can notice it." Fellow Toastmasters, this is the spirit of evaluation. Even though we get feedback from our fellow Toastmasters and the general evaluator, we are the best judges. We need to do an introspection and look at the areas for improvement. So like this, if we can focus on continuous improvement, we are going to excel and become better and better. And to take us through this 3rd dose of excitement, the evaluation session, please join me in welcoming the general evaluator for today, Mr. Prakash Tamankar.
Thank you, Siraj, for that wonderful introduction about what that evaluation is all about. As he rightly says, it's not judgment, it's just a personal opinion that we as evaluators put forth, but then it is up to us, each individual Toastmasters, to pick the best or the areas of improvement from there and improve on. For today's meeting, we started right on time at 6:30, and for that, can we give the Sergeant at Arms a big round of applause? She had a short and nice, engaging start to the meeting where all of us felt energized, and she connected well the topic to the whole meeting and the introduction to the President, for which she really needs a good appreciation. Only a suggestion, if I may offer, if it could be, please also place Bangalore Toastmasters Club on the board, please. Okay, we mentioned it many times. We know we are at Bangalore Toastmasters Club, so job well done. What do we give now? We followed that with the address from the President. He brought a new perspective to today's meeting. It's not only about the fortune that we hold, but also about what we need to carry back from what we earn or what we get through the journey of life. For that, what do we give? He is always inspiring for every speech that he gives us. Thank you so much. The next session was led by the Toastmaster of the day. I would reserve comments and suggestions towards the end of the evaluation. After that, we had the table topic session, and to take us through that, we had Toastmaster Varun. Varun, the way you introduce the table topics with the mechanisms with which you can go ahead with the speech helped a lot of Toastmasters in getting ideas on how to tackle it. And for that, what do we give? You quickly corrected yourself during the course, where you introduced the topic first 2 times and then followed up with the calling out of the speaker, which is the right way to do it, because that's when the speaker gets the time to think about it for the benefit of the guest, and also everyone in the audience also can get the topic into their mind. For that, it was well done. Only a suggestion there, maybe you should be a bit more loud with the topics. Your voice was kind of going down while you were introducing. That said, an excellent session where we had a round of 10 speakers coming on the stage in this short span of time that he had as a table topic master. What do we give him? The table topic session was followed with the prepared speeches. The first speaker we had today was Toastmaster Ashish, and to evaluate him, we had Toastmaster Sapna. May I call upon her to give her evaluation with so much of detail. And what do we give the evaluator and the speaker? Next I come to the Toastmaster of the evening, Siraj. We had a wonderful evening with 4 speeches packed in, and we will, as I say, it still finish at time. And for that, what do we give him? He had smooth transitions throughout, and he had a couple of stories as well to relate, including work for evaluation. A great job done, Siraj. We really have the privilege of having you in our club, and we look forward to many more wonderful sessions from you here. Only a suggestion if I can offer, probably as the Toastmaster of the day, to also announce about the mobiles being switched off, which Sanjay had taken up upon himself to announce. We took care of it, but thank you for that wonderful evaluation. And your message about Gautam Buddha is something I remember in long time to come. What do we give him for this? Let me call upon the tag team to give their part of the evaluation. First, may I call upon Taimur